So have you always wanted to buy your dream house, but you just don't have enough money? You always see that beautiful house on TV and just wish that one day you could buy your own house for yourself or for your parents, but unfortunately you just don't have enough money. It's not because you're poor, it's because you don't have enough money. If you want to learn how you can make money online and earn enough money to buy your dream house, make sure to watch this video all the way to the end. Don't skip through the video because I'll show you exactly this awesome strategy that can make you so much money, and you'll stop watching TV and being excited about the houses you see because you will be living in a beautiful house. This is available worldwide, so if you are in Africa, Australia, Asia, Europe, South America, we can all get access to this opportunity. Before I show you this awesome strategy, please subscribe right now to the AD Money channel right now. Just click that subscribe button. It's absolutely free. You don't have to pay any money to subscribe. Just click that red button that says subscribe and click the notification bell so that every time I have a new video for you, you can easily be able to watch my videos. So if you look on YouTube over here, you will see that people do different kinds of videos. But for example, there's a video that says 10 men you won't believe actually exists. So basically, it ended up getting 37 million people to view this video. And this video is very, very short. But so many people actually, watch this video. And all this video is about is 10 different people that are different. So it's just different images of different people, and there's a voiceover in the background that maybe somebody is speaking in the background and talking to you about the people, and basically just having some few images. And this channel is making $2,000 to $36,000 every single month for doing something that is so easy. Imagine that. You could be making $2,000 to $36,000 every single month for doing something absolutely easy, like just putting a few images and speaking the background and just making a lot of money. Imagine that. That sounds great, right? Well, it's absolutely amazing. Now what I'm going to show you, don't worry, I'm going to show you a technique that is going to do everything for you, and you can make a lot of money very quickly. Now what you want to do, you want to go into a website called Listverse. It's listverse.com. Now listverse.com is a place where you can find different kinds of top 10 topics. For example, top 10 movies that should have stayed in the elevator, top 10 bizarre cakes you won't see on the Great British Bake Off, top 10 things Disney doesn't want you to see, top 10 gross things about the human body, top 10 celebrities cleared of serious crimes, top 10 electrifying facts about lightning, top 10 WTF reality TV moments, top 10 bizarre biting attacks. So as you can see, it's listverse.com with a bunch of different kinds of topics that you can choose from. So what you want to do is basically you want to find a topic that you find very interesting. So let's take, for example, we have here top 10 successful inventions that just up and died. So what you want to do, you want to click on that. Click on that and you're going to see it's going to provide you with all the information from the number 10, number 9, number 8, all the way to the very bottom and so on, as you can see. So what you'll do is you'll take the text and you'll copy the text, then you'll go into a website called Spinbot. It's spinbot.com. So this is Spinbot over here. So with Spinbot, what you do is basically you put in text. So the text you actually copied from here, you're going to put it over here and paste it. Then you want to click on I am not a robot. So when you click on I am not a robot, you wait for it, and then you want to click on go. So basically Spinbot is going to reword everything for you so that the text becomes your own, so that you can actually use it and make money, because this text is actually, it belongs to them, but now when we use Spinbot, it absolutely changes. So for example, the original text is, when a new gadget or technological marvel is introduced, people often describe it as something that will change the world. Maybe it will transform business, travel, or communications. Now on your one, it will say, at the point when another contraption or innovative wonder is presented, individuals frequently depict it as something that will change the world. Possibly it will change business, travel, or interchanges. So as you can see, everything has been reworded for you. So you will then copy this, and I'm going to show you what you're going to do with that. Now you want to go onto a website called InVideo. InVideo.io. So this is a place where they will provide you with all the videos you need, all the images you need, all the background music you need, and they're going to actually do the text over for you, the voice over for you, which means that you don't have to actually use your voice to actually speak over the video, but they will provide you with a female voice or a male voice for you, and they'll read the text for you. So it's absolutely great. So what you want to do, you will see pre-made templates, text to video, and blank templates. You want to click on text to video. Click on text to video, then make sure it is on YouTube landscape. Then you want to choose from one of the templates. There's so many templates that you can choose from. So let's take, for example, this one over here. You want to click on that. So that is that. Then make sure it's on wide. Then click use this template. So when it says add a headline, you want to go back onto your list verse, and because we decided to choose this topic, the headline is top 10 successful inventions that just up and died. So you want to copy that, then you want to come over here and you want to paste it. So over here on the story, add your story. That's where you're going to go back onto Spinbot, and exactly the reworded paragraph is what you want to click on, and copy that and paste it over here. Then click on next. Then it's going to load. It should not take so long to load, a few seconds. Just be patient. Please subscribe so long to the AD Money channel if you haven't already. So as we are here, what you want to do is you want to click on Advanced Editor. Click on Advanced Editor so we can have more options, so I can explain how it works. So basically you have access to 1 million images and videos that you can use. So if, for example, we type in technology, it's going to give us different kinds of videos on technologies that we can use. There's over 1 million images and videos that we can use for our video. So depending on the topic of your top 10 video, you just want to search for the appropriate kind of videos that you want to put. So, or you can just decide to use images or videos. It's all up to you. Now I'm going to show you something as well. There's music, where you can decide to change the background music. They provide you with so many songs. Or you can just decide to upload a song of your own choice from your own computer. That is all up to you, but they have all amazing kinds of, songs that you can actually choose from. So remember, the text, you can always edit the text if you need some editing. So now let me show you the voiceover. So you want to click on add voiceover over here. So you don't need to use your voice. They will actually provide somebody to read the text for you. So you want to click on automated text to speech. So you can choose the different languages. If it's Indian English, British English, Australian English, German English, German, Danish, Welsh, German English, that's funny. Anyways, so we're going to keep it on US English. Then you can decide to choose, like, if you want a male, which is Matthew, a female, Kimberly, Kendra, Justin. So if we choose Kimberly and we click generate voice, it's going to provide us with a female voice reading our text.
Top 10 successful inventions that just up and died.
As you can see, it has done it very well, and it doesn't sound like a robotic voice. It really sounds like a natural voice, and it's really great.
Top 10 successful inventions that just up and died.
You see, top 10 successful inventions that just up and died. So basically, this woman, or depending if you chose the man, will read exactly all the text that you decided to regenerate on Spinbot, which of course you got from Listverse. So you would repeat the same process and copy all the information from your topic. So this is top 10 successful inventions that just up and died. So over here, number 10, then we have number 9, Google Glass, number 8, MySpace, number 7, Pebble, number 6, Nintendo Virtual Boy, number 5, Napster. So you would copy all of this and go back onto Spinbot, paste it, then get a regenerated, rewritten text that makes it your own, copy it, then go back over here and paste it in a different scene. So now what I need to explain to you is that this is not free, but it's very cheap compared to what is out there. Now there's business version and there's the unlimited one. I advise you to go for unlimited one. It's $30. Now this is not expensive at all. I have a referral link down in the description. If you use that and you use my code, which is ADMONEY, ADMONEY, you're gonna get 50% off. So you will only be paying $15. Now this is unlimited. Imagine that, where a whole program can do everything for you. The images, the music, the videos, the text, the voiceover. Now, if you want to see what's out there on the internet, look at this craziness. Basically $2,000 a year for only 20 clips, 20 videos that you can use. Then you have almost $100 a month, $97 every single month just to have music that you can use for your videos. Then $1,700 for just 25 images that you can use for your videos. This is ridiculousness. Imagine just paying $15 for just in video, where you can get access to everything all together, where they will have the music, all the images. You can put stickers, add effects, put shapes, put a voice over your text. I mean, this is absolutely awesome, and it's very cheap. So make sure you go down in the description right now and click on the referral link. Use my code, which is ADMONEY, ADMONEY, all together, and get 50% discount and actually start making money, like this channel over here, where such a simple video just showing how the 10 men you won't believe exist, and 37 million people are viewing this and making $2,000 to $36,000 every month for doing something that you can do. So I advise you to take this opportunity. If anything is confusing, make sure to comment your questions down below in the comment section, and I'll make sure to reply as soon as possible. Please like the video if you haven't already, and subscribe to the ADMONEY channel. I would really appreciate that, and turn the notification bell on so that every time I have a new video, you can easily be able to watch my videos. So I hope this helps you. Make sure to give it a go. Let me know how it works for you. Make sure to click on my referral link right there to get 50% off. Thank you so much for watching, and cheers.